Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kibbers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Toyota 120 Series Prado VX, stock reference number 4486. The shape runs from the 8th month 2004 through to the 10th month 2009. There's one GR 4-litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 1GR 4-litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front and the rear end. Right hand headlight, right hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left chrome power door mirror. Left front door has one tiny small dent and the paint is peeling along the top edge. Same as on the left rear door. Factory fitted side steps supplied with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light does have one tiny little stone chip. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step with all bolts and brackets sold as a pair. Right rear door appears to have no damage apart from a small bit of paint peeling. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, flared type. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Driver's side seat does have a small rip, still may be usable. Black vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, transfer shifter, climate controls, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor. And we also have rear seats and a third row seat with the middle headrest. Headrest sold separately. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.